Why do people buy more lipstick when they're broke? Sounds strange, right? You'd think recessions would kill off anything luxury, but in tough times, small indulgences, like premium lipstick, actually thrive. It's a counterintuitive consumer pattern with a name: the lipstick effect. Let's break it down. And if you like these kinds of economic quirks, don't forget to like and subscribe. The lipstick effect is an economic theory that explains why people continue to spend money on small luxury items even during financial downturns. Think of it like this. When you can't afford the big things, cars, vacations, designer handbags, you still want something that makes you feel good. So instead of buying a $1,000 purse, you buy a $30 lipstick. It's an emotional upgrade with a smaller price tag. This behavior is tied to the income effect. When incomes drop, people cut back on large purchases, but still seek affordable indulgences that bring a sense of control, pleasure, or normalcy. So no yacht? Fine. But maybe a new perfume, a fancy coffee, or a night at the movies. The lipstick effect isn't just theory. It's a real pattern that brands have studied and benefited from. During the 2001 recession, Estée Lauder noticed rising lipstick sales while other luxury goods tanked. The same thing happened in 2008 and again during COVID-19. When anxiety rises, so does the desire for little escapes. And it's not just makeup. Fast casual restaurants like Chipotle or Starbucks tend to hold steady during downturns. Why? Because a $10 burrito or a $6 latte feels manageable, even if your budget's tight. Even streaming platforms, budget travel sites, and small personal care brands can ride the same wave. People want to feel good without wrecking their finances. There's also a psychological angle. Buying small luxuries can help people feel more confident during uncertain times. A new lipstick or sharp outfit might make someone feel more job interview ready. Self-care turns into strategy. That's why some economists consider lipstick sales an unofficial recession indicator. It reflects consumer sentiment. I can't change the world, but I can upgrade my day. Here's the kicker. Many companies quietly build around this behavior. They launch affordable luxury lines, mini product sizes, or bundling deals. They know the big-ticket items won't move, but smaller ones still can. But the lipstick effect isn't foolproof. For one, tracking it in real time is tough. Sales data for small luxury items isn't released frequently, and it's often tied to broader spending patterns that blur the signal. Government data is quarterly at best, and by the time you see the trend, the recession may already be deep in motion. Also, when the downturn is severe enough, even lipstick gets cut. When people are truly struggling, losing jobs, skipping bills, they're not spending on $30 indulgences anymore. So while the lipstick effect can highlight subtle shifts in spending habits, it's not a perfect predictor. It's more of a mirror than a crystal ball. Still, it reveals something powerful about us as consumers. We crave comfort when everything feels out of control, even if it's in a tiny package with a shiny cap. Think about your own habits. Ever had a bad week and just had to buy a treat to feel better? That's not weakness. That's psychology. But the danger comes when small luxuries pile up into hidden debt, or when brands use your emotions to push consumption you didn't need. So next time you swipe your card for a little treat, pause and ask, am I comforting myself or being marketed to? Have you ever caught yourself in a lipstick effect moment? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if this gave you a new lens on consumer behavior, like and share it with someone who loves smart spending. Because at the end of the day, being financially wise isn't about saying no to everything. It's about knowing why you say yes. True luxury isn't always what you buy, it's being conscious of why you buy it.